All right, so I got a 2003 6.6 liter Duramax. Driving it on the way to work and seen a bunch of smoke behind me. Not white smoke, it was black. I'll show you in a minute. And I stopped at a stoplight and I heard a knock. I'm not sure what it might be. A lot of people are saying either a rod knock or injectors 4 or 6 are stuck open. If somebody could please explain to me what this might be, I would greatly appreciate it. I'll show you the sound. It's got a little over 308,000 miles on it. That's what I heard. Like I said, please, any info on what you might know or experience with these trucks, please leave comments down below. I greatly appreciate it.